and I won't be doing it. Link. Snap out of existence. Oh, that's the biggest explosion. Let's try to make a new secret. This time, bomb. Why you got your lightsaber stuck on my neck? I will take that like why are you doing that? No. I do not want to die to the ground. Oh my god. Die! Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make the bell down open. Die! Come on, don't fall off. Eagle, what the follow? Wait, that was good. I'll tell you shit in this video. I don't know this shit. This is a kid, just cops. Gaslighter, boy! Get out of my sight! Gaslight, yeah, boy!